There's Stu. Alright, Stu Brute. Stu, do you remember me? It's me, your owner. Hello, Stu. I have a treat for you. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ah! God damn, dude. Well, I guess I'll find some duct tape. Why'd you do that? I'm not thrilled about what you did to your coat here. I guess I'm going to have to figure out a way to fix it. A little bit unhappy. Luckily, my barn has one of the most important tools a barn can have. I wonder if that is enough duct tape. I better put more on just in case. There we go, that's probably enough. No, it's an air compressor. Yeah, it's an air compressor. It's not a robot. It's very loud. Very loud. Yeah, don't turn it on. It's sleeping, that's right. It's an air compressor, but yes, it's sleeping. No. The robot does not, I mean the air compressor does not need to go to timeout. It didn't do anything. Why does it need to go to timeout? Why? What did it was being bad?
Yes.
How is it being bad?
Hurt me.
How did it hurt you?
Hurt me.
How did it hurt you? Okay.
Loud.
It is loud, that's right, because it's an air compressor.
I give you loud again.
Yeah.
I give you loud.
Okay.
I
No, I'm not turning it on. It's not mine, and it's super loud. Oh, hey, duck.